Hi friends, welcome back to the Python programming series. My name is Neelu and in this series we are gonna learn about join two tuples. So in the previous lecture we already have discussed a lot about the tuples. We have discussed about how to define tuples, how to access tuple, how to update tuples, and packing and unpacking, and how to access using the loop in the tuple. So in this lecture we are discussing about joining two tuples. So if we want to join two tuples, let's say I have two tuples and you want to join that. So in a similar way of the similar way that we have done in the first uh, in the list, in a similar way we will do here. So this is my tuple 1 and this is my tuple 2, and let's say um, I'm, I'm writing here ABC. Okay, so no matter what your tuple contain A, B, C, whatever. Sorry. So let's say this is our two tuples, and we want to join these two tuples. So for joining two tuples, we need to use the plus operator, and mm, let's say I'm uh, adding this joining these two tuples and taking the output in a variable uh, that is join tuple. Let's say just join tuple variable, and we are taking the output of these two tuples by adding them. So we just use a plus operator for this, and my tuple 1, my tuple 1. So these are our tuples we are joining, and we can print the result as join tuple. See, so this is the result by joining this first thing, and after end of this first tuple, the next tuple has been joined, right? So let's say if we want to multiply tuples, like if we want to multiply our tuples with some numbers. For example, I have a tuple 1, and I want to multiply its, let's say, uh, multiple. Let's say I have this name multiple, right? So I want to multiply this my tuple into, let's say I want this in 3 times. So this I have multiply with, and we can print this result and see what is happening in here. So my sorry, this name is multiple, and we are printing it. So yes, so here is the result. Like we multiplying the tuple with any number means it will repeat that items 3 times. For example, we are multiplying here with 3, so it is repeating this with 3 times, and joining in a single tuple. So this is called multiplier tuple, and we have some tuple method also. So in tuple we have a count method, inbuilt count method. So let's say I have this inbuilt count. So what count method do? Let me write this. What count method do? This count method will return the number of times a specified value occurs in a tuple. For example, we want to count how many times. Let's say I have this. For example, let me give this. Yes. So this is what. Uh, okay, so this is what our this is our tuple, and I am putting here 26 again, and now I want to count how many times our mm, 26 is. So for this, I can take this variable, take a new variable, and my count method will call as my tuple and dot count. So it's just a simple method. So count, and what we want to count, we want to count 26. So it will print x. So it will give the counting that 2 times 26 is available in this uh, tuple, right? So the next thing is count index method. So here we have two methods for this, that counting and indexing. Let's say index, right? So index method, what index method give, it searches the tuple for a specified values and return the position of where it was found. For example, let's say uh, let me write the example. For example, let's say this, the same example. This is my example one, and okay, let me do in the next cell. So yeah, instead of count, we can write index here, right? This is an index method, and for what index we want. So we want the index of 8. So we can run this and we'll get first index of this 26, right? And if okay, so this index method will work in this way. It will give the uh, first thing, and okay, first item. Now next come to uh, this is about okay, so that is all about the remaining concept of tuple. And if you want to do some exercise, if you want to do some practice, so I will in and the next video or in other videos, I'll give some example that you can solve by your own. So okay, so in the next video, what we will gonna discuss about the remaining collection um, thing. So that is called set. So we will gonna discuss about the set in the next video. So till that, okay, so till that, bye bye, have a nice day.